Deciding on a broker can feel confusing when you're new. A broker is basically a middleman. You deposit your money into a brokerage account, and the broker holds it there. Then, when you place a buy or sell order, the broker routes your trade to the market so it can be filled. The excitement of finally being ready to invest can fade fast once you start looking at trading platforms. They all sound perfect. They all have the best tools, lowest cost, and are easy to use. And suddenly, it's hard to know who to trust. In this video, we're going to tune out the sales talk and focus on how to choose the best broker for your trading needs. Many brokers offer commission-free trading, which can lead one to think that they are all the same. They're not. Commission-free just changes how they make money from you. If you don't know where the hidden costs are, you can slowly lose money without even noticing. Fees can still exist. Some brokers charge fees to transfer funds in or out of your account. Others hit you with high margin rates if you ever borrow money to trade. Even if you don't plan to use margin right now, you want to know the rules before you need them. It is important for you to know the costs so that you are not surprised after being hit with unexpected fees. Now ask this: what happens to your cash when it's not invested? Does it just sit there waiting? Not always. Brokers often move that cash into places that earn them interest. Some brokers share most of that interest with you, others keep most of it. The Chart Whisperer solution advises you to choose a broker that pays competitive interest on uninvested cash so your money works while you wait. Over time, that difference can add up to hundreds of dollars. Then there's trade execution. You click buy and assume the broker is working for you. But behind the scenes, some brokers sell your orders to other firms. That's called payment for order flow. It can mean the broker gets paid for sending your order somewhere else instead of focusing on the best possible price. Chart Whisperer prefers brokers that aim for clean execution, not squeezing pennies from your trades behind your back. Starting with a small account can be frustrating too. Maybe you only have $1,000, then you see a great stock, but it's too expensive for one full share. You feel locked out and being limited by the size of your account. The Chart Whisperer fix is fractional shares. A good broker lets you buy pieces of a share so you can participate and grow without needing a big account. Don't let the stock price decide what you can do. You decide by trading in smaller size and building step by step. Another big issue is how fast your money moves. Beginners don't realize this matters until it hurts them. You spot a clean setup, but your funds aren't available yet. Now you're waiting 2 or 3 days for a transfer or settlement. That delay can kill opportunities and tempt you into sloppy trades. The Chart Whisperer rule is fast or instant transfers matter. Find a broker with acceptable deposit, transfer, withdrawal, and settlement times. A slow broker can turn good discipline into missed opportunities. Customer service is another pain point people ignore until it's too late. Everything feels fine until something goes sideways. Login issues, stuck transfers, random restrictions, they can happen. You don't want to find yourself on hold while your money is frozen. The Chart Whisperer standard is simple. You want access to real humans with clear answers and fast help. You shouldn't have to beg to fix your own account. Many traders use their phones for alerts, checking positions, or closing a trade when they're away from their desks. Most brokers have an app, but if it's slow or confusing, it adds stress and causes mistakes. The Chart Whisperer rule is choose a broker with an app that's simple, fast, and easy to understand. And security is a non-negotiable. At minimum, you want 2-factor login alerts, and fraud protection. Those are minimum requirements. If a broker doesn't offer them, stay away. You're not being paranoid, you're protecting your account. So we're back to the main question. Which broker do I actually choose? Different brokers fit different styles. If you're hands-off, you may want simple and low cost. If you're active, you need speed, tools, and strong execution. Most people fall in the middle, so look for balance. No major weaknesses and no deal breakers. Here are the Chart Whisperer core principles. Pick a broker that respects your cash, moves fast when you need it to, offers fractional shares, pays interest on idle money, and doesn't get in the way of clean trading. Before jumping in and committing big money, test drive it. Transfer a small amount of cash and watch how it feels. How fast are deposits and transfers? Is the platform clear and easy to understand? How does their customer support team treat you? Those details always tell the truth. Your needs may change over time, and that's normal. As you grow and learn, the best broker for you now might not be the best broker for you in the future. And that's okay too. What really matters is choosing a broker that doesn't hold you back while you're developing your skills. A good broker reduces stress and friction. A bad broker will surprise you with hidden costs and regret. If you want more beginner-friendly trading guidance like this, like and subscribe to Chart Whisperer.